For this lab, you will receive a lab pack from your instructor. If you haven't received your lab pack, contact your instructor and get a hold of one. The instructions are that you will take pictures while you're performing the repair. 1 or 2 pictures is plenty. You're going to upload your pictures to the Composite take-home blog. You're going to describe in the blog how you perform your repair. Good idea is make one of those pictures your finished picture. We're going to do the composite repair project right now. I'm in my kitchen. You can see my stove, my refrigerator. My cat's laying on the floor. And so I'm doing this at my counter. You can do this about any place really. So I cut up an old box and I've got a piece of plastic underneath it just so I don't make a mess. Okay, here's the lab pack that you should have gotten. So let's see what's in the lab pack. Okay, I have a pair of latex gloves. I have a piece of composite. I have a baggie with a part A and a part B of composite material. I have a piece of sanding paper and I have a stick in case I need to stir. So I'm going to put on my rubber gloves, my latex gloves. First thing we're going to do is inspect this piece. Now if you look at this piece, you can see I have a hole here and it looks like I have an impact damage here. Let's do a coin test. We're going to test for delamination. Okay, we can hear the difference. And I want you to do that. This is a chance to experiment with this lab. On the back, hey, look, I have delamination here too. It's hard to see. I found it with the coin. So you probably have more than one type of damage. Some of these have, see how this end is bent? Look at that, I have delamination right there. This layer is delaminating. So there's the damage that I have. Now let's repair this. So to repair this, what I want to do is repair this hole. So first I'm going to sand it a little bit. When I sand, I go one way and then I switch directions and go the other way. That's the fastest way to sand. Okay? Now, let's do our repair. So I'm going to take, okay, I've got part B. Okay, here's the quick, easy way to do this. Okay, there's my part A, part B. Okay, I want to mix this equal parts, 50-50. So if you look here, I've got a little bit too much. Okay. So I'm going to take both of these and I'm going to mix them together. And I want a uniform color. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here. And let's put it, I've got a hole here too, so let's put a little in here. Now, the last thing I do with composite material, if I have leftover, is I mix my hardener with my other stuff. And what that's going to do, it's going to make it harden. It'll turn into a solid, and then I can dispose of it, because you're not supposed to throw away liquids. You don't dump liquids in the storm sewer. You don't throw them away. So if you mix all your components together, this is going to harden in 24 hours, and I can throw it away. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to wait until this hardens, and then we're going to take our sandpaper, and after it hardens, we'll sand it smooth.